Everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Maggie. I'm doing vintage decor, but now I'm start a new journey. Flip furniture. I'm start to flip furniture to help my daughter pay her university tuition. She's on the last year of university and I'm start to flip furniture. Today's video I'm go flip a chest and two hand tables. Let's go to start. And I got this chest on a Facebook marketplace for free. And these two hand tables. The chest has some damage, corner damage. The door, the slides is broken. A lot of scratch. Loose hardware. This solid wood is a good piece. I'm going to change the legs. It's a really good piece. First I'm going to take a hardware off to make a good cleaning. I need you to fix the bottom one, it's almost fell. I'm sorry guys, I skipped the part where I'm sanding. It's my first time I'm going to use the paint gun, and I like it, but I prefer the brush. Works very nice. I'm doing two layers with the Satin in Espresso. I use a cheaper brush. I wipe down after. I'm going to sand, use 80 degrees paper. I would like to take all the paint out and make in wood for stain. I'm doing the top coat, but I don't like that dark marks show. Now I'm go do washed with the white. Maybe that marks cannot see. I like the color of the wood, but I don't like that marks. I still don't like show that dark marks. I decided to paint with acrylic paint in white and glazer with satin. Quick look before the Chester and the hand tables and after. The makeover was beautiful. I really loved this antique white. I loved the two hand tables with top in antique white too. Let's go talk about the numbers. I got these 3 pieces on a Facebook marketplace for free. I sold the Chester for $160 and the 2 hand tables for $150. I sold to the same person, the person coming to get it, the Chester, and they see the 2 hand tables and stock it. They pay me $310. I spent about $30 in 2 knobs, paint, stain, and the legs for the Chester. I make a profit for $180. Go straight to my daughter's tuition. If you like the videos like this, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe on my channel. See you on next one.